border, and I have to put away my musubi because I can't eat. So we just got done checking in our hotel. We checked in at Westin in downtown Vancouver, and this hotel is very close by to this very famous park. It's called Stanley Park. So later on we're going to walk around over there and just unwind and probably eat dinner right after. So hang in there and we'll show you guys more stuff, okay? 3, 2, 7. See you later. The light.
Hey, I was doing just fine before I met you. I drink too much and that's an issue, but I'm okay. Hey, you tell your friends it was nice to meet them, but I hope I never.
Screaming at the crazy Alright, so you know the drill. We are going to do a room tour. So this is the entrance, the door right there, and then when you come in, to your right hand side is the bathroom. And I like the door. If I have my own house, I like the door like this. It's going sideways. Boom, I like that. Anyways, okay, let's open it up. So right there is the throne. Right there is our toilet. And look, the vanity, it's huge. Oh. With that mirror right there. Hello world. It's me. It's me. I like this mirror. Ooh. What up with that? Anyways. So, this is the shower. Bam. The throne. The toilet. There. And then that. Boom, 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 boom. And then you go out. You close this. And then you go here. That is the king size bed. And who is that Pokemon? Who are you?
My name is Pokemon.
Right, that's Ian. Then that's the patio door. And then there's a mirror right there. The TV. And another body mirror. Bam. 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 That's my luggage. And then over here you'll see the downtown. Yeah, right there. That's so cool. Love it. Okay, so that's for the room tour, and that's how it looks like from looking at the patio. So let's go hunt Gladys, guys. Housekeeping.
Room service?
Housekeeping. Alright, I'm invading. Wow. This is bigger though.
No, it's the same size, but you just have a queen.
Oh yeah, it's a big bed.
Yeah, big bed.
Yeah, okay, so this is their room. It's almost the same though. Like the bathroom is here. Yeah. And then 2 beds. And right there, that front view. City view. Let's see if Ian is on the... No, he's not there. Look at that. Wala, siya isa na dito. Ninaog siya, kaya gusto siyang baklay-baklay na.
We're here at Westin, and I just want to show this street name over here because it's so weird.
Oh, pink, I like that.
try the top Cardero. Love, can you get the Cardero?
I know, that's what I said. I said Caldero. There's no crosswalk, so we need to run, okay? Run for your life, you guys.
No.
Run for your life.
Oh my god, there's no crosswalk?
Crosswalk? Crosswalk? Yeah. Okay, you guys, 1, 2, 3, go! Yeah!
You guys are like...
That's a crosswalk.
What gimbal is that?
It's you and Crane. Oh, I like how it looks.
I know.
It's so...
It's so...
Mine looks so warm.
Yeah.
I gotta change the white balance.
Yeah, I'm on auto, that's why.
Guys, somewhere to eat, and we're walking.
So right now we're here at Nicola Street.
Did someone hit the button? Yeah,
So this is 3 miles already?
Getting lost in Vancouver, downtown.
Uh-huh.
Canada.
Canada.
In Canada.
So we're here at Robson Street and there's a lot of food stuff over here, which is good.
And under the lights when everything goes, nowhere to hide when I'm getting close. When we move, well, you already know.
We are at Hatu Pupu for dinner. So they serve sushi, rice bowls, and everything.
Okay, what would you like?
We're getting a katsudon and kitchen box,
Yeah, with chicken or beef?
beef teriyaki on it.
Okay.
That be it?
Right.
Box, which consists of the beef teriyaki, tempura, chicken karaage, and salad.
Katsudo.
What everybody got.
And then dynamite cool.
Right there. So funny. She ordered some nigiri, and then it only comes with one of each. All right, so time to chow. Talk to you guys later. We are at Whole Foods, Canada.
Canadian.
We're at Whole Foods because we need to get some vegan wine. Joke. Wow. This is awesome. It's rose gold. It's the first time I've seen it.
I don't know.
It's
like
called Bottega rose gold. I like the packaging, The packaging is so on point. You can use this as a mirror.
I could even see myself right there.
Over here, you cannot buy liquor anywhere else. There's a designated store that you should buy it. So we went to Whole Foods and looked for wine. They said, oh no, we don't have it. So you have to go to like a BC store. This one is called BC Wine. Okay, so we're now at Safeway. We didn't find what we like in the other store, so we're here. We'll see how Safeway in Canada looks like. Oh, it looks different.
Come on, they're checking out.
I'm looking for that chocolate. Maybe I'll buy it at the duty free.
There's a fireplace in there. Let's check it. Alright, we just arrived at the West End and we're just chilling out here at a cool fireplace. Because it's cold outside.
Hello, so we are back in our hotel room right now, and it was a fun day. We woke up at 5 o'clock and the time right now is almost 9. So finally we are trying to settle down for us to go to sleep because we need to wake up early tomorrow for another day. So we're gonna end the vlog here and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye! Bye, Nget!
Bye, guys.
Show your whole,
Bye guys, thank you for watching. And
Watching.
like what I always say, buhay and aloha. Bye-bye.
I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.